Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best scroll saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dewalt DW788 Variable Speed Scroll Saw review. Scroll saws are a quite complicated piece of machinery, thus making them right can be quite tricky. Ease of use is very important, because the projects you intend to carry out with them are quite intricate, obviously. As to that regards, this Dewalt DW788 scroll saw is well made and very easy to use. The saw features a double parallel link arm which pivots from the back of the saw to the front, shortening the distance it needs to move, and as a result reduces the vibration of the saw, allowing you to work more accurately. This feature also allows you to easily thread the blade through materials when making inside cuts, as the arm is very easy to lift. Changing the blades does not require the use of any tools. It instead features a blade clamp you can simply use to change the blade in just seconds. No matter how delicate your work is, the variable speed feature allows you to adjust the speed of the blade to match the application. The Dewalt DW788 features an oversized cast iron table that provides excellent material support. It also bevels up to 45 degrees both left and right, allowing you to create beveled edges. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Delta Power Tools 40-694. The Delta Power Tools 40-694 scroll saw comes equipped with every feature you need to make even the most intricate of cuts and designs. With blade speed that can be varied between 400 and 1750 SPM, the saw can be used for a wide range of projects and applications. It features a dual parallel link arm which is designed to help reduce vibration, improve accuracy and reduce over and undercutting. Replacing the blade can be done easily by simply raising the upper arm and locking it in place in the raised position. This gives you free access to remove and replace the scroll saw blade, which you simply need to unclamp. The saw table bevels to 45 degrees both left and right, allowing you to make bevel cuts easily. With a throat size of 20 inches and a thickness capacity of 2 to 1/8 of an inch, you can handle large pieces of materials with it. Overall, the Delta Power Tool 40-694 comes equipped with all the features you need to cut even the most complex of curves. At number 3, we have the Excalibur 16-inch tilting head scroll saw. While many other brands of scroll saws enables the tilting of the saw table to make bevel cuts, the 16-inch Excalibur scroll saw allows you to tilt the saw head instead. This is an outstanding feature which enables you to have a flat, steady and consistent surface even when making bevel cuts. With this you can tilt the head up to 30 degrees to the left and up to 45 degrees to the right of the table. It comes equipped with an upper and lower blade guard to prevent any accidental contact with the blade. For added safety, a switch protection device prevents you or anyone from unintentionally starting the machine. Changing blades is quite easy with the Excalibur. You simply have to free up and raise the upper arm, which will stay up until you replace, tool-free, the blade and bring it down again to secure it. At number 2, we have the Jet 72720OK. This scroll saw by Jet is a 22-inch scroll saw that comes with a stand to help you get set up as quick as possible. The 22-inch throat capacity coupled with a large 12-7/8 inch by 23 inches allows you to handle large materials pretty easily with it. Changing blades on it is pretty easy, as the saw is designed to make the process as simple as possible without the use of any tools. The upper arm clamps and tensions the blade automatically, while a removable lower blade holder snaps quickly and securely to hold the blade in place. It has a variable speed range between 400 and 1550 SPM, which allows you to match speed with the material or application. Bevel cuts are quite easy to make with the ability to tilt the saw head 45 degrees to the right and 40 degrees to the left. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dremel MS-2001 Moto-Saw. The Dremel motor saw. It's the first of its kind. It looks like a scroll saw. It's a scroll saw, but it's kind of more compact and more mobile. It's more compact and mobile in the sense that instead of taking the workpiece or material to the saw, you can take the saw to the material you want to cut. You can easily detach the saw assembly from the table or base and use it to cut the material wherever it is, affording you more freedom in a sense. It has variable speed control. You can vary the speed of the blade to match the material you're cutting, and you can cut different types of materials with it, including wood, plastic, engineered lumber and even metal. In fact, it comes with 1 metal cutting blade, 1 siding blade, 4 wood and plastic blade and 4 fine wood blade, so you can cut a wide range of materials with it. Equipped with a fast clamp base, you can attach it wherever seems suitable to you. You can attach it to any table, workbench or surface. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.